Does eating oranges at night affect your sleep?
Hello everyone. Today, we're delving into a juicy topic that many of you have asked about. Does eating oranges at night affect your sleep? We all know oranges as a fantastic source of vitamin C, but does their consumption before bed impact our much-needed rest? Let's unravel this together.
What's inside an orange?
Firstly, let's discuss what an orange contains. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which are great for our health. However, they also contain natural sugars and citric acid, which may have different effects on our bodies, especially before bedtime.
Can oranges interfere with sleep?
The question here is whether these natural sugars and citric acid can interfere with our sleep. Generally, eating a large amount of any food high in sugars, including natural sugars, right before bed can affect your ability to fall asleep. This is because the sugar may lead to a spike in energy, thus making it harder for you to wind down. However, oranges contain a relatively low amount of sugar compared to many other fruits, so this is less likely to be a concern unless you're consuming them in large quantities. As for the citric acid, some people might find that citrus fruits cause acid reflux or heartburn, especially if eaten on an empty stomach or shortly before lying down. If you're prone to these conditions, eating oranges before bed might not be the best idea.
Can oranges promote better sleep?
On the flip side, oranges contain certain nutrients that may actually promote sleep. They contain modest amounts of magnesium and potassium, which can help to relax muscles and promote better sleep. Moreover, the fiber in oranges could help to stabilize your blood sugar levels during the night, potentially preventing sleep disruptions. So, to answer the question, does eating oranges at night affect your sleep? The answer is, it depends. It may affect your sleep if you're sensitive to citric acid or if you consume them in large quantities due to their natural sugar content. However, in moderate amounts and for most people, eating an orange before bed shouldn't have a significant impact on sleep quality, and might even offer some sleep-promoting benefits. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information has been helpful and will guide you in making informed decisions about your nighttime snacking habits. Remember, everyone's body is different, so listen to yours and do what feels right for you. Sweet dreams and healthy eating to you all.